Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe update. And Pepe is quite up and we still have another technical target to 1043, but in the meantime it does look like before we actually get any bullish to move up to 1052, we got to take things slow, and along the way we have to see if there's any roadblock. So what am I supposing by a roadblock? Why do I say a roadblock? The reason is, as you go to a certain technical target, you have to check resistances. Resistances are the biggest roadblock. Now by default, this inverse head and shoulder should actually push Pepe to 1050, and sometimes you may wonder that why does a technical target not get met? Maybe this is where you're gonna learn the answer, and the answer is pretty simple. When you have a resistance along the way, a roadblock along the way, it actually stops the prices to move to their main technical target, even though you had a bullish pattern going on. So for example, in here you have this rejection coming up. Okay, you have almost another trend line here, so I'm going to show you a little bit and I'm going to stretch that trend line as well. So look at that. Okay, look at that. We have failed to cross above here. Look at this. You got the support, you got another support, and a break to the downside, which was turned into resistance, unfortunately, and you got rejected and you dropped down very badly. So we can actually say for sure, this is very, very true and very, very clear that this is a place that we need to get above in order for us to continue to actually move up to 1050. Now, for example, if you kind of come above 930, so if you make it above 930 here and you break above that resistance and retest and hold that resistance and maybe put a stop loss down at 771, this is going to be your new stop loss, right? Once you hold that support here, then you're good to go and you should be moving up here. Now, can it happen? Let's hope so. But one clue that I do see is that if you stretch the trend line and you take the lower support trend line as well, then you can find the maximum time that the next move is going to come, and that is on the 2nd of April, right? Now, speaking of 2nd of April, we could actually see a move down, maybe even to 771, and when you come to 771, maybe try to come up again and break above and actually pump to the upside. It all depends on how the monthly closes, right? So if we go in on the monthly time frame and check the monthly candle as well, we could actually see that this is a very nice good green candle, but we still have 5 days to close, right? So it is not confirmed. So in 5 days, all eyes on the monthly closing, because within 5 days you can still drop down again to even 564, 600, and then make 3 black rows, which is not a good sign, by the way. So let's just hope you close green like this, because if you close green, Bitcoin closes green as well. You have good chances of looking at April, maybe move up to even 1552. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.